Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Inky character in the Crossy Road game. So in the Crossy Road, to get Inky, it is the ghost character that you will only find in the maze mode, pac-man maze mode. So if you go to the collection section, at the below you will see the pac-man. If you scroll below, you will see the pac-man and you will get a pack chicken freely. So play with the pack chicken first of all. This is the maze mode of the pac-man. Now to get Inky, you need to eat 50 dots in a single run. So in this maze mode, you need to eat 50 dots. So I'll show you where are the dots. You need to eat 50 once. So there are no dots. I don't see any dots right now. You need to collect 50 dots. As you can see, these are the dots, white stuff, and you need to collect 50 dots in a single run. So after you have collected 50 dots in a single run, at the last of your game, the Inky will automatically add it to your collection. Then you can use Inky character in other road gameplay, Crossy Road gameplay, and you can also use in pac-man mode also. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.